Well, hi, this is Ken with Village Green, and today I wanted to talk with you about roof rats. So the rats we have in our area those are mostly roof rats. These are nocturnal. They forage on food during dusk and just before dawn, so you probably won't see them during the daytime. Roof rats are excellent climbers. They like climbing on trees and vines and utility lines to get up into roofs and then on into attics. Roof rats hoard food. They collect seeds, nuts, and other food, and they stash them so that they can eat later. Roof rats live in colonies and have a social hierarchy and communicate using high-pitched sounds and scent marks. Some of the signs of having rats in your area are you'll see gnaw marks, you'll see droppings, and you may also see grease marks that are running up along pipes and along gutters. Rats are suspicious of anything new, and so it may take weeks before they'll investigate something that's new in their area. And the older rats will let the newer rats investigate anything that's new in their area. Rats are almost blind. They use whiskers to feel their way around homes and around their areas. They tend to follow the same pathways, and that makes them feel more secure. Roof rats are long distance travelers. They'll travel 300 feet or further so that the rats that you see running along your fence, those actually might be coming from a home 4 or 5 houses away, and they're just using your fence as a highway. This is Ken with Village Green Lawn and Pest. If you like these videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and send them on to your friends and family. Ken with Village Green, local experience you can trust.